Welcome back to freehighschool.education.com. Today we are going to do an exercise session for chapter 11.4 in Algebra 1, page 431. Number 10. Without drawing the graphs, tell whether the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Number 10. Y equals to 4x, y equals to 1 over 4x. Here the slopes are different, so they're not parallel. If you multiply the slopes, you get 1, so they're not perpendicular. Number 11, y equals to minus 1 over 3x plus 2, and y equals to 3x minus 4. Multiplying the slopes, minus 1 over 3 times 3, we get minus 1. So these two lines are perpendicular. Number 12, we have y equals to 1 over 5x plus 1, and y equals to 1 over 5x minus 2. These two lines have the same slope, which is 1 over 5, and so they are parallel. We go to number 15, y equals to 7, and y plus 2 equals to 0. So y equals to 7, and y plus 2 equals to 0. So here, this is the equation of the line, y equals minus 2. Both of these lines are horizontal lines, and so they are parallel. And they both have the same slope, which is 0. Next is number 16. Y over 10 minus x over 4 equals to 2. And the other one is x over 2 minus y over 5 equals to 1. We are going to put this in this form, the slope-intercept form first, and then we will do the second equation. So now here we multiply everything by 10. We get y minus 10 over 4x equals to 20, and y equals to, we take this to the other side, 5 over 2, and cut x plus 20. So this is our first equation. Y equals to 5 over 2, x plus 20. Now the second equation is x over 2 minus y over 5 equals to 1. We take the x to the other side, so minus y over 5 equals to minus x over 2 plus 1. Multiplying by minus 5, so y equals to minus 5x over 2 minus 5, and that gives us 5 over 2x minus 5. So this is the second equation. Looking at these two equations, we see that they have the same slope. Then these two lines are parallel. Next is number 26. Tell whether the points are collinear. Here we have 3 points, P, Q, R, and we want to see if they fall on the same line. So the way to do it is to get the equation of the line PQ. Here we have 3 points, PQR. We get the equation of line PQ, since any 2 points determine a line. And then we see if R falls on that line. So P is minus 1 minus 1. And Q is 1, 0. And now to get the slope, minus 1 minus 0, minus 1 minus 1. And here we get minus 1 over minus 2, and that's half. Now applying the formula M, and using this as our point, half into x minus 1 equals to y minus 0. And the equation of this line, which is the PQ line, is x minus 1 equals to 2y. So x minus 1 equals 2y. Now point R is 3, 1. If R is collinear with these 2 points, which means it falls on the same line, this is the first point, the second point, and the third point, then its coordinates must satisfy this equation. So let's replace x3 minus 1, 2. Are these two sides equal? 2 equals to 2, and they're equal, so R falls on the same line as PQ. And these 3 points are collinear. And with this, we come to the end of this session, and we hope to see you again.